Hello students, today I started nitro compounds from organic chemistry. Introduction. Nitro compounds are an important class of organic compounds which may be regarded as derived from hydrocarbons by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atom by nitro groups. Nitroarenes, that is nitro compounds in which nitro NO2 group is directly attached to benzene ring, can be prepared rather easily and have been used as synthetic reagents since long. But nowadays even nitroalkanes are being prepared and used on a large scale. Structure of nitro group. Nitro group is quite often represented as containing a double bond between nitrogen and one oxygen and a coordinate or dative bond between nitrogen and other oxygen. But actually nitro group is stabilized by resonance and is a hybrid of two equivalent contributing structures. The resonance hybrid structure is confirmed by the fact that the bond length of each nitrogen-oxygen bond is 121 picometer or 1.21 angstrom, which is intermediate between NO single bond length 136 picometer or 1.36 angstrom and nitrogen oxygen double bond length 115 picometer or 1.15 angstrom. In case of nitroarenes, resonance of nitro group with the ring can also take place, giving rise to additional contributing structure for the molecule. It will be interesting to note that nitro group is isoelectronic with the carboxylate anion. Nomenclature of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are named by writing the word nitro before the name of the parent compound. The number of nitro groups and their position are also suitably indicated as classification of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes are termed as primary, secondary or tertiary according as the nitro group is attached to a primary, secondary or tertiary carbon atom. That is primary nitroalkane, secondary nitroalkane and tertiary nitroalkane. Preparation of nitro compounds. Preparation of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes are usually prepared by the following methods. First, vapor phase nitration of alkane. This reaction involves the substitution of a hydrogen atom of alkane by a nitro group. It is carried out in the vapor state by heating the alkane with nitric acid at about 700 Kelvin. Alkane is reacted with nitric acid at the temperature 700 Kelvin gives nitroalkane plus water. Limitation of the process. During nitration of higher alkane, all positive isomeric nitro products are formed. Moreover, rupture of carbon-carbon bond also take place, leading to the formation of nitroalkanes containing lesser number of carbon atoms. For example, nitration of propane result in the formation of a mixture of 4 nitro compounds as shown below. Propane is reacted with nitric acid at the temperature 673 Kelvin gives two type of compounds. One nitropropane 25% plus 2 nitropropane 40%. Another one is nitroethane 10%, nitromethane 25%. Due to the formation of complex mixture of product, this method is not used for the laboratory preparation of nitroalkane. However, the method is widely used for the commercial preparation of nitroalkane since they are used as industrial solvents only. Mechanism. The reaction is believed to involve the formation of free radical, but the mechanism is not well established. Second preparation. Action of silver nitrite on alkyl halide. This is the method generally employed for the laboratory preparation of nitroalkane. When heated with silver nitrite, alkyl halide undergo nucleophilic substitution to form nitroalkanes along with small quantity of alkyl nitrites. This is because NO2 negative is an ambident nucleophile. Alkyl halide is react with silver nitrite gives nitroalkane as a major product plus alkyl nitrite as a minor product plus AgBr. However, the mixture of alkyl nitrite and nitroalkane can be separated by fractional distillation. Third preparation is oxidation of amines. When an amine in which the amino group is attached to a tertiary carbon atom is oxidized with potassium permanganate, a tertiary nitroalkane is obtained. Preparation of nitroarenes. Nitroarenes are almost invariably prepared by direct nitration of arenes. The nitrating agents generally used are concentrated or fuming nitric acid. Second, mixture of concentrated or fuming nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Sometimes fuming sulfuric acid is also used. This mixture is most commonly used as nitrating agent. Third, mixture of concentrated nitric acid and acetic anhydride or boron trifluoride. Fourth, acetyl nitrate obtained by mixing nitrogen pentoxide and acetic anhydride. Fifth, nitrogen peroxide in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Choice of nitrating agent. The choice of nitrating agent to be used for nitration of a given compound depend upon the following two factors. First, nature of compound to be nitrated. Second, number of nitro groups to be introduced. In the nitration of aromatic compound containing electron releasing or activating groups such as NH2, OH and CH3, the reaction takes place readily at room temperature by employing concentrated HNO3. In some cases, even dilute nitric acid can be used. For nitrating compounds containing electron attracting or deactivating groups such as COOH, or when it is desired to introduce more than one nitro group, a suitably strong nitrating mixture has to be employed and the reaction is carried out at higher temperature. It may be remembered that nitro group itself is also a deactivating group. Nitrobenzene and meta-dinitrobenzene, for instance, can be obtained from benzene under the conditions shown below. Meta-dinitrobenzene is reacted with concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin temperature gives benzene. Benzene react with concentrated HNO3 or concentrated H2SO4 at 328 Kelvin gives nitrobenzene. Mechanism of nitration. Nitration of aromatic compound, like other aromatic substitution reaction, is electrophilic in nature and involves a nitronium ion, NO2, as a attacking electrophile. The mechanism may be summed up as follow by considering the nitration of benzene with nitric acid sulfuric acid mixture. First, generation of electrophile. When HNO3 plus H2SO4 react, it gives nitronium ion. When nitronium ion react with benzene, it forms a carbocation. Evidence in favor of above mechanism. It has been shown above the aromatic nitration involve a stepwise mechanism. The nitronium ion, which act as electrophilic reagent, is generated in a preliminary step and brings about further reaction in two steps. The first step is a slow rate determining step, involves the addition of nitronium ion to the aromatic ring to form a carbocation intermediate. The second step, which is relatively fast, involves the elimination of proton from the intermediate ion by the hydrolytic cleavage of CH bond. The mechanism has been fully supported by isotope tracer technique as explained below. If an aromatic compound labeled with deuterium, the heavier isotope of hydrogen having mass of 2 atomic mass unit, is subjected to nitration, it is found that the rate of substitution of deuterium is the same as the ordinary hydrogen or protium. In other words, no isotope effect is observed. Since a carbon-deuterium bond is broken more slowly than a carbon-protium bond, the absence of isotope effect in aromatic nitration can be justified only if the rate determining step of the reaction does not involve any cleavage of the carbon-hydrogen bond. This means that the final step involving the abstraction of proton through the cleavage of carbon-hydrogen bond cannot be the rate determining step. Therefore, the step leading to the formation of carbocation must be the rate determining step, as it does not involve any cleavage of carbon-hydrogen bond. Once formed, the carbocation loses the proton relatively fast to form the final product. The absence of isotope effect also rules out the possibility of a single-step mechanism for nitration. This is because single-step substitution cannot take place without the cleavage of carbon-hydrogen bond. As such, it must exhibit isotope effect, but this is not so in actual practice. Hence, aromatic nitration is a stepwise process in which the formation of carbocation is the rate determining step. Comparison of nitration of arenes and nitration of alkanes. It may be noted that the nitration of arenes take place at relatively low temperature, whereas nitration of alkane require a very high temperature. This may be due to the fact that nitration of arene involves the initial formation of electrophilic reagent, while the nitration of alkenes is supposed to involve the initial formation of free radical. The formation of free radical takes place through homolysis and requires stronger condition than the formation of electrophile, which take place through hydrolysis. As such, nitration of arenes take place more easily than nitration of alkane. Nitroarenes cannot be prepared by the action of silver nitrite on aryl halides because of very low reactivity of aryl halide towards nucleophilic reagents. Physical property of nitro compound. Physical state. Nitroalkenes are colorless, oily liquids when pure. They have pleasant smell and are sparingly soluble in water, with the exception of a few compounds including nitrobenzene, which are yellow oily liquids. All other aromatic nitro compounds are yellow crystalline solids. Nitrobenzene has an odor of bitter almonds and is known as oil of myrrhine. Second, solubility and density. All the nitro compounds are heavier than water. Nitroalkanes are sparingly soluble in water, while aromatic nitro compounds are insoluble in it. They are, however, readily soluble in organic solvents such as alcohol and ether. Third, stability. When heated strongly, polynitro compounds decompose with explosive violence. Fourth, boiling point. Due to the presence of higher polar nitro group in their molecule, nitro compounds have strong dipole-dipole interaction. Consequently, they possess high boiling point, much higher than hydrocarbons of comparable molecular masses. However, most of the nitro compounds are volatile in steam. The melting and boiling point of nitro compound gradually increase with number of nitro groups are illustrated ahead. Nitrobenzene, melting point 278.8 Kelvin, boiling point 463 Kelvin. Metadinitrobenzene 363 Kelvin, melting point 576, boiling point. 135 trinitrobenzene 395, melting point. Chemical reaction of nitroalkanes. The most important chemical reaction of nitroalkanes are as follow. First, acidic nature, tautomerism. Nitroalkanes containing alpha hydrogen atom, that is primary and secondary nitroalkanes, only exhibit acidic behavior and form salt in the presence of strong alkalis. For example, the acidity can be attributed to the facts that nitro group have a strong electron withdrawing inductive effect. Second, the anion formed after the removal of proton from nitroalkane get resonance stabilized due to the ability of nitro group to accommodate negative charge as shown. It is interesting to note that the salt formed by the nitroalkane is acidified at low temperature. The oily drops of nitroalkane do not separate immediately, but we get another form of nitroalkane known as acinitroform, which is slowly changes into the nitroform. This is due to the fact that primary and secondary nitroalkane exhibit tautomerism, the tautomeric form being nitroform and acinitroform. Nitroform RC, R single bond CH2 single bond N positive double bond O negative. The tautomerism equilibrium between the two forms lies almost completely towards the nitroform because it is stabilized by the resonance of nitro group. Acinitroform is relatively stronger acid than nitroform. An important feature of acinitroform is that it can act both as an electrophile and a nucleophile. Unlike primary and secondary nitroalkane, tertiary nitroalkanes and nitroarenes do not have any alpha hydrogen atom. As such, they exhibit neither acidic character nor tautomerism. Second, reaction. Reduction of nitroalkane. Reduction of nitro compound is one of their most important reactions. The reduction of nitro group takes place in stages as shown below. First, nitro compound is being formed nitroso compound, another form substituted hydroxyl amine, and the last one is primary amine. The product actually obtained depends upon the nature of reducing agent and pH of the reaction medium. Thus, nitroalkanes can form different products on reduction as given below. First, reduction in acidic medium. When reduced in an acidic medium, nitroalkanes form primary amines. Nitroalkane in acidic medium in the presence of iron/hydrochloric acid gives primary amine. Second, catalytic reduction or reduction with lithium aluminium hydride. Reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or hydrogen in the presence of nickel, palladium or platinum catalyst also yield the same product. When nitroalkane react with lithium aluminum hydride gives primary amine. Third, reduction in neutral medium. If the reduction is carried out in neutral solution, a hydroxyl amine derivative is obtained. Nitroalkane in neutral solution gives alkyl hydroxyl amine plus water. The hydroxyl amine are readily oxidized to corresponding nitroso compound on warming with Tollens reagent, which get reduced to metallic silver. This reaction is used as a test of nitro compound under the name of Baker-Mulligan test. Third reaction, hydrolysis. When boiled with concentrated hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, primary nitroalkanes undergo hydrolysis to form carboxylic acid and the corresponding salt of hydroxyl amine. For example, 1 degree nitroalkane plus water plus hydrochloric acid in the presence of heat gives carboxylic acid plus NH2OH dot HCl. Secondary nitroalkanes are hydrolyzed to ketones and nitrous oxide by boiling with concentrated HCl. Secondary nitroalkane react by boiling with concentrated HCl gives RC double bond R ketone plus nitrous oxide plus water. Tertiary nitroalkanes are not hydrolyzed by acid. Fourth, NEF reaction. When sodium salt of primary and secondary nitroalkane are hydrolyzed by the boiling with dilute sulfuric acid, aldehydes and ketones respectively are obtained. The reaction proceeds through the aci-nitro form of nitroalkane. When sodium salt of primary nitroalkane corresponding to ACI form plus 2H2SO4 react gives a product aldehyde and sodium sulfuric acid plus N2O plus H2O. When sodium salt of secondary nitroalkane plus H2SO4 react give product ketone plus NaHSO4 N2O nitrous oxide plus water. In this reaction, the aci-nitro foam act as an electrophile. Fifth, action with nitrous acid. Primary, secondary and tertiary nitroalkane exhibit different behavior towards nitrous acid. First, primary nitroalkane react with nitrous acid to form nitrolic acid, which dissolve in NaOH produce a red solution. When 1 degree nitroalkane react with nitrous acid gives nitrolic acid plus water. When dissolved in NaOH to give red color due to the formation of sodium salt. Second, secondary nitroalkane react with nitrous acid to form pseudonitrols, which have blue color but do not dissolve in NaOH. Tertiary nitroalkanes and nitroarenes do not react with nitrous acid, and since they do not contain alpha hydrogen atom. The above reaction can be used for distinguishing between primary, secondary and tertiary amines nitro compounds. Sixth, halogenation. When treated with halogens, chlorine or bromine in slightly alkaline solution, primary and secondary nitroalkanes undergo halogenation at alpha position. For example, nitroethane in the presence of chlorine gives 1 chloronitroethane. Further react with chlorine in the presence of NaOH gives 1,1-dichloronitroethane. Nitromethane on chlorination in alkaline medium give trichloronitromethane, also known as chloropicrin. Tertiary nitroalkane do not undergo halogenation because they do not have alpha hydrogen. Seventh, condition with aldehydes. Due to the presence of active alpha hydrogen atom in them, primary and secondary nitroalkanes undergo aldol type condensation with aldehyde in the presence of base to form nitroalcohols. Acetaldehyde plus nitroethane react to form product of 3-nitro-2-butanol. The reaction 6-7 proceed through the aci-nitro form, which act as nucleophile in these reactions. 8. Maniche reaction. This is a condensation reaction which involves formaldehyde, ammonia or a primary or secondary amine generally taken as hydrochloride and a compound having at least one active hydrogen such as primary and secondary nitroalkanes. For example, secondary nitroalkane in the presence of formaldehyde and ammonium chloride give a product nitroamine hydrochloride. The reaction can be used for preparing nitroamines, diamines, etc. Chemical reaction of nitroarenes. Nitroarenes are chemically rather inert compound. The nitro group is firmly attached to the nucleus and cannot be replaced by other atoms or groups under ordinary conditions. Their important reactions are as follow. First, acidic nature. Unlike primary and secondary nitroalkane, nitroarenes do not have any alpha hydrogen atom. As such, they do not exhibit acidic character or tautomerism. However, nitro compounds having two or more nitro groups attached to the benzene ring are somewhat acidic in nature due to the strong electron withdrawing effect of the nitro group on the benzene ring. Second, reduction. The most significant reaction of nitro compound in their reduction under different conditions to give different products. As already stated, the reaction takes place in stages and the nature of the final product depend mainly upon the pH of the reaction mixture. We will illustrate the reduction of nitroarenes under different conditions with the help of nitrobenzene. First, reaction in acidic medium. On reduction in acidic medium with an active metal and acid such as zinc and HCl or tin and HCl, nitrobenzene yields aniline. When nitrobenzene reacts with zinc and HCl or tin and HCl gives aniline plus water. Mechanism. The mechanism proposed for the reaction involve a number of steps in which addition of electron from the metal and proton from the acid take place, and nitrobenzene free radical anion and nitrosobenzene free radical anion are formed as intermediates. The mechanism is summed up as nitrobenzene gives a proton and form free radical anion, which further form nitrobenzene for free radical anion, which further react to form hydroxylamine, and finally the product obtained is aniline. Second, catalytic reduction. Reduction of nitrobenzene with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or palladium catalyst also leads to formation of aniline. Third, reduction in neutral medium. When reduced in the neutral medium, example with zinc dust and ammonium chloride solution, the reaction stop at the hydroxylamine stage. When phenol react with zinc and aqueous and ammonium chloride gives hydroxylamine plus water. Fourth, reduction in alkaline medium. On reduction in alkaline medium, nitrobenzene yields different product depending upon the nature of reducing agents. When nitrobenzene react with Na3ASO3 and NaOH give azoxybenzene. When nitrobenzene react with zinc and NaOH in CH3OH give azobenzene. When nitrobenzene react with zinc and NaOH give hydrozobenzene. These products are actually formed by the further reaction between primary reduction products, that is nitrosobenzene and phenyl hydroxylamine as shown. Azoxybenzene is formed by the condensation of nitrosobenzene and phenyl hydroxylamine as follow. There is sufficient evidence to show the azobenzene is formed through the intermediate formation of azoxybenzene and its further reduction. Hydrozobenzene is similarly formed by the further reduction of azobenzene. Fifth, reduction with lithium aluminium hydride. Reduction of nitrobenzene with lithium aluminium hydride also yield azobenzene. Sixth, electrolytic reduction. When reduced electrolytically in weakly acidic medium, nitrobenzene gives aniline, but on electrolytic reduction in strongly acidic solution, nitrobenzene yields para-aminophenol due to rearrangement of phenyl hydroxylamine first formed. When nitrobenzene react in electrolytic reduction in weakly acidic medium, give aniline. When nitrobenzene react with in strongly acidic medium, give para-aminophenol. Electrolytic reduction in alkaline medium yields azoxybenzene, azobenzene and hydrozobenzene. Seventh, selective reduction. In case of compound containing more than one nitro group, it is possible to carry out the selective reduction of one of the group by employing a mild reducing agent such as ammonium hydrosulfide or sodium polysulfide. Meta-dinitrobenzene in plus hydrosulfide gives meta-nitroaniline. This reduction is known as Ginin reduction. Third, electrophilic substitution. Nitro groups being an electron withdrawing groups have a strongly deactivating effect on electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene nucleus. However, under strong condition, nitro compounds may undergo electrophilic substitution in meta position with respect to the nitro group. For example, when nitrobenzene react with chlorine and iron chloride gives meta-chloronitrobenzene. When nitrobenzene react with fuming HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 give meta-dinitrobenzene. When nitrobenzene react with fuming H2SO4 give meta-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid. It may be noted that nitrobenzene does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Fourth, nucleophilic substitution. The nitro group has no doubt a deactivating influence on electrophilic substitution in benzene nucleus due to electron withdrawing nature. But this very electron withdrawing influence of the nitro group make the benzene nucleus liable to attacked by the nucleophilic reagent. Thus, unlike benzene, nitrobenzene on heating with sodium hydroxide give small amount of ortho and para nitrophenols. When nitrobenzene heated with sodium hydroxide gives ortho and para nitrophenols. Mechanism. The mechanism of the reaction may be outlined as: fifth, replacement of nitro group. In case of polynitro compounds, one of the nitro group itself can be replaced by the nucleophilic group. When para-dinitrobenzene react with ammonia gives para-nitroaniline. When para-dinitrobenzene react with KOH potassium hydroxide give para-nitrophenol. When para-dinitrobenzene react with C2H5ONa give para-nitrophenatol.